In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can access your document and what they can do with it using the share settings. This is perfect for giving teammates the right level of access, keeping drafts safe, and making collaboration smooth. First, open your shared Google Docs file. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you switch between work and personal profiles. If you already have the document link, paste it into your browser. Otherwise, you can find the file in your Google Drive. Give the document a moment to load so the toolbar and buttons appear properly. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner of the document. It usually sits near your profile picture and looks like a button with a person icon. This opens the sharing window where you'll control access and permissions. If it is now shared with anyone that has the link, you'll see a section labeled General Access showing anyone with the link. That means anyone who gets the link can open the document. This is useful for broad sharing, like sending a draft to a large group. Keep in mind that this is more open than restricted, which limits access to specific people you add. If you're working with sensitive content, consider who you're sharing with and how widely the link might spread. Click on Editor to open the permission dropdown. Editor access allows people to make direct changes to the document. They can type, delete, format, and even change sharing on some workspaces. Use this when you trust collaborators to edit the content directly and move the work forward. If you prefer feedback without direct edits, click on Commenter. Commenters can leave comments and suggestions, but they can't change the underlying text unless you accept their suggestions. This is ideal for reviews, approvals, and content that